Hi, Algebra Part B. This is a little review to help you get started with today's assignment. If you've printed out the PDF for the review of multiplying binomials, you're good to go. If not, we're just going to go ahead and make this on a piece of paper. So go ahead and divide your paper down the middle. You can do a hot dog style fold. Okay, in fact, what we could do here is folding all the different ways. We'll fold it hot dog, okay, then we'll fold again, and we'll fold again. So what you need to do is make yourself 8 boxes. Okay, we're going to have 8 boxes. So up at the top, let's go ahead and write the title for this. This is Review of Multiplying Binomials. Binomials. I'm going to go ahead and do a couple of examples with you. Okay, and then you're going to do the practice down here. Okay. So our first example here says 6x plus 1 times 6x plus 1. Okay, and remember, when you see something that's been squared, what do we need to do with that? Squared means you write the binomial 2 times. Okay, so you write it out twice. All right, now how I'm going to do this is I'm going to use that nice box technique where you make 4 boxes. Okay. If you want, you can even go ahead and put the little things that stick out, but you don't have to do that. Across the top, we have 6x and a positive 1. And the second binomial can go on the side here, and it's a 6x and a positive 1. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the sides to make those inner boxes. We're going to do all the possible combinations of multiplying. All right, let's go. 6x times 6x, that's 36. X times x is x squared. Okay, well done. Let's go for this box over here. Okay, so 6x times 1, that's just going to be 6x. Okay, how about this box down here? Well, that's going to be the same, right? 6x times 1, and that's 6x. The more you practice these, the more you're going to realize, when the binomials are the same, I'm getting the same thing here. Okay, that's good noticing. 1 times 1 makes just a 1. Okay, so that's great work. Now let's go ahead and officially write down our answer. Okay, so the answer is going to be 36x squared. That's the highest power. That goes first. Then we're going to go ahead and combine these like terms. 6 x's plus 6 more x's makes 12 x's. And then we have plus 1. Okay, and then that's the answer to multiplying the two binomials. Okay, this next example here, okay, is a little unusual. Something different is going to happen. It's not the same binomial. They're almost the same here, okay, except this has a minus sign and this has a plus sign. Okay, so we have opposites. We have opposites there. They're not identical. Okay, let's go ahead and make our 4x4 box just to organize all our work. So when your math teacher says show work, okay, the work is this. Across the top, I'll put the first binomial, 4x and a negative 5. Okay, don't forget to bring that minus sign. Now the other one is just 4x and a positive 5. Okay, so they are a little different. Remember, they're opposites? All right, let's go ahead and do our multiplying. So the first term right here comes from 4 times 4, which is 16, x to the power of 2. Okay. Now I'm going to multiply these two terms to make this box. A positive times a negative is going to be a negative. 5 times 4 is 20, and just that 1x. Okay, let's go down here. These two sides form to make this area right here. 5 times 4 is 20, and we have an x. And the lasts, a positive 5 times a negative 5 is going to make negative 25. Okay, remember, great work, but we have to officially write our answer. So the answer out. This multiplication problem starts with 16x squared, the highest power. I'm looking for my like terms right here. 20x's minus 20x's. Oh man, 20 minus 20. They're completely gone. They cancel out. These guys cancel with those guys. So I'm not going to say there's one x left. There's no x's. I'm not going to write anything. When stuff cancels, you just ignore it. So then the next thing I'm going to write is negative 25. Okay, this is really weird. When the middles cancel, my answer is just a binomial. My answer usually was a trinomial with 3 terms. Okay, so this is a trinomial, but sometimes your middles will cancel and you get left with a binomial. Okay, I need you, okay, to do these next 6 problems here. So we have 2 binomials here. Show your work in little boxes and write your answer. Okay. Pause the video if you need to copy the problems down, or you could use the PDF. Numbers 3 and 4 I want you to work on. Okay, and then numbers 5 and 6. When you're done with this paper, please take a picture and upload it, and then I'll get back to you with if they're right. Good job, guys.